So in this video we will be talking about the bash programming. So in Linux, shells are the command line interpreter for GNU operating system. Bash is one of the shell in Unix. There are a lot of other shells as well. So the full form of bash is born again shell. Born is the inventor of bash programming, or you can say shell programming. The bash script are the file in which the commands are stored, and it has extension .sh. To see a list of shell in our system, we have to type this command. So let's open the terminal and type the command cat /etc/shells. So these are the shells that we have in our Unix operating system, and among them we will be using the bin/bash. So let's make some simple bash file and run it. First we have to go to our directory. In our case it can be anyone. So let's make some simple bash file and call it test.sh. So in the first line we generally keep the address of the bash, and let's write simple command like the current date is date. Go. And let's save it and try to run this. To run the file, we simply type bash.bash and write the file name. So we can see the output of the file. That's the current date is 2015 February 12. Since we have already included the address of bash in the first line, so we can simply type the name of the file and the output is the same. So let's look at another bash file which I have already created. This is the sum.sh. In this program we will read two numbers from the user and calculate the sum of the numbers and display the numbers. So let's run this one. So simply .sum.sh. So the program adds two integer in the first number, let's say 55, and let's say 25. The sum is 80. So this is how we can see a series of command is executed in the bash file. And let's try another one, and the file name is while, which I have already created. This is a simple file in which we are using some programming constructs like while. The value is the counter is a variable which is initially 0, and the while loop continue until the value of counter is less than 10, lt is less than, and so in each loop the value of counter is added and the value of counter is displayed. So let's run this one. while1.sh. So this is the output of the file, the program. This much for today. Bye.